Best of luck to all of you bettors. And they're on their way. Arvin Dugo shows alertness at the start. Game changer in between runners. High voltage moving up down on the inside. Then racing in fourth on the outside. Whistler. Time to shine that. J Jewel in between runners. Then followed by Purple Ribbon. And Mr. Integrity is in behind them. Passing the 900 meters post. High voltage takes the lead by a neck. Running in between runners. Game changer alongside Arvin Dugo 1A as they gallop along the 600 meters pole. It's still high voltage leading the field. Arvin Dugo now being thrown up the challenge on the outside. Game changer fading out in third. Time to shine that as they race at a 450. High voltage this time by about a length and a half. Arvin Dugo remains in second. Whistler moving up on the outside. Time to shine that by the rail. And down the stretch they come. High voltage. Arvin Dugo once again on the outside. But high voltage is still leading the field back to 2 lengths lead. Arvin Dugo remains in second. Whistler with 75 meters. Jepril Tagulaw Sarate on high voltage. Arvin Dugo, Whistler, Purple Ribbon, and number 2, Time to Shine Dad for your Pentafecta.